Have you been feeling like your body is betraying you? More tired, weaker, even foggier in thought than you used to be? 1 spoon a day, that's it. A single, natural blend that's transforming the lives of men and women over 50, restoring lost energy, rebuilding muscle strength, improving libido, and even sharpening mental focus. And the best part? No pills, no synthetic hormones, just 6 time-tested, natural ingredients that work with your body, not against it. Stick with me because I'll show you exactly how to make this mixture at home, and share a bonus absorption hack at the end that most people completely miss. Let's be honest, aging hits differently after 50. You feel it in your knees when climbing stairs. You feel it when that spark in your brain seems dimmer. Even simple activities, gardening, lifting groceries, or just waking up refreshed, don't come as easily. But what if I told you it's not your fault, and it's not irreversible? I've spent over 2 decades researching natural healing practices, and what I discovered was a unique blend of 6 natural ingredients that, when combined properly, can reverse many symptoms of aging, naturally. Let's start with the backbone of this blend, Peruvian maca. In the high Andes Mountains, where oxygen is thin and conditions are brutal, locals have thrived for generations thanks to this powerful root. Maca acts like a natural adapter. It restores balance in your hormones and energizes your entire system, without the crash of caffeine. For men, it gently supports testosterone production. For women, it smooths out hormonal shifts that come after menopause, and both report one exciting benefit: a rekindled libido. Next up, ginger. Now, you've probably used it for nausea or colds, but its real magic? It's one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. Think of chronic inflammation like silent fires burning in your joints, brain, and organs, making you feel stiff, foggy, and exhausted. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that extinguish these fires. Personally, my knee pain, which plagued me for years, eased within 2 weeks of using this blend consistently. I could walk, climb stairs, and even dance again, pain-free. Then there's turmeric, but not just any turmeric. Pure turmeric powder with no fillers. Why? Because what matters is the active compound inside it, curcumin. This powerful compound actually blocks the very same inflammation pathways that some pain medications do, but without those side effects. Less inflammation means better mobility, clearer thinking, and, reduced fatigue. I like to think of curcumin as the body's reset button. It turns down inflammation and turns up your vitality. Now let's talk cinnamon. Delicious, yes, but also a real blood sugar whisperer. After 50, insulin resistance becomes a silent saboteur. Your cells stop responding properly, and sugar just lingers in the bloodstream, draining your energy and aging your organs. Cinnamon oils those insulin door hinges, helping sugar get into your cells to be burned for energy. The result? Fewer crashes, more steady focus, and a metabolism that works with you, not against you. Here's one that makes this blend taste amazing. Pure, unsweetened cocoa powder. No sugar, no mixes, just the raw stuff, rich in flavonols which protect your brain and enhance blood flow. You'll feel this one fast, sharper memory, better focus, even a boost in mood. Cocoa also contains theobromine, a gentle pick-me-up, and tryptophan, the precursor to serotonin, your body's happy hormone. I've noticed that when I skip my cocoa blend, my mind feels a bit cloudy. The difference is subtle, but real. And now, the ingredient most people overlook, creatine. No, it's not just for bodybuilders. In fact, it's actually one of the most scientifically backed supplements for people over 50. Your body's creatine stores drop drastically as you age, leading to muscle weakness, slower thinking, and even reduced heart function. With just 5 grams a day, creatine helps recharge your cells, like giving your muscles and brain a brand new battery. Studies show it can improve strength by 15%, enhance memory, and even boost bone density. So how do you combine all this goodness? Here's my personal daily blend. 1 heaping tablespoon Peruvian maca powder, 1 level teaspoon powdered ginger, 1 level teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 heaping tablespoon cinnamon powder, 1 heaping tablespoon pure cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon, or 5 grams, creatine monohydrate. Mix them thoroughly in a dry, clean bowl. Store the blend in a sealed glass jar in your fridge. It stays fresh for up to a month. Every morning, just take 1 heaping spoonful. You can, add it to a glass of fresh lemon water. The vitamin C really boosts absorption, especially for turmeric and maca. Or you could stir it into a smoothie. You can also mix it into plain yogurt or even sprinkle it over fresh fruit. Honestly, it's delicious. The cinnamon and cocoa make it taste just like a healthy dessert. So what can you expect? Well, in week 1, you might notice more steady energy and an improved mood. By week 2, there's usually less joint pain and clearer thinking. And by week 4 and beyond, you may see noticeable muscle strength, enhanced libido, better sleep, and really, a whole new zest for life. The beauty of this natural blend is that it doesn't just tackle one issue. It works holistically. Inflammation, hormones, brain health, energy, and metabolism are all supported at the same time. And unlike prescription drugs, these ingredients have been used safely for centuries. They don't override your body's systems. They actually reboot them. The only side effect? Well, you might just get addicted to feeling this good. At 50, 60, 70, your story is far from over. Your body still holds the blueprint for vitality. This 1 spoon a day could be the simple habit that helps unlock it. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I share practical natural health tips every week to help you feel stronger, sharper, and more alive. And tell me in the comments, what changes would you love to feel again in your body? I read every response. You've given your body decades of service. Now it's time to give it the support it deserves.